cheeseburger.
And something to drink?
Yes, and juice.
Okay, sure. Hello friends, today we are going to prepare cheeseburger with my little brother Hussein. We need patty, bread, bun, and we need cucumber, lettuce, some decoration. We need a tomato and cheese. Now we put the patty in the grill. We have 4. Now we put the bun, the bread.
Let me help you.
Okay. Like this. Okay, I see. Oh, this one.
Okay, never mind.
Okay. It smells good. Now we are going to take our bread and patty.
Oh, put the mayonnaise first.
Yes, I put the mayonnaise. You put a little bit. No? Okay. Little bit of mayonnaise. Okay.
Put more, Adam.
Okay.
It's gonna be delicious with mayonnaise.
Okay. Now we are going to take the delicious patty. It looks so good. It is so good. It smells so good. Now we are going to take our cheese. Put our cheese.
Right on top.
Right on top. And we put the lettuce. It's a little bit big. Yes.
Okay.
I cut it into small pieces.
Okay.
And the tomatoes. We put two tomatoes. Then put and the cucumbers.
Okay. It looks yummy.
Tomatoes. It's not very simple to do this. And the cucumber. Now we put the bread
Bun.
bun. You can put decoration. I put this decoration like this. Look at that. That's it.
Oh, good results, Adam. Good job. Okay,
It looks
amazing.
very, very delicious. It smells very good. I like it.
How is it?
It tastes so good.
Okay, amazing. Let me see what is inside. Yummy. Looks really delicious.
Me too.
You like? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, amazing. And the cheese is melted here?
Yes.
Okay.
And the bun is going on.